Today, I'm going to tell you a little story about my finger. A lot of people on our YouTube channel have been asking me how I lost my finger, and a lot of you are kind of figuring out why we call it Digit9. It's because I only got 9 fingers. Well, 9.5 technically, but Digit9 sounds better than 9.5. So anyways, I work in an oil patch. I mean, some of you got to pay the bills somehow, right? So me and a buddy were changing belts on a pump jack. I had long welding gloves on, which you shouldn't do. The fingers were a little long. We were rolling the belts on, which you're not supposed to do. I do a lot of stupid stuff. Anyways, my hand got caught in there. Before I knew it, it got flung around through the pulley, chopped my finger right off, didn't even cut the glove. Boys and girls, keep your fingers out of there. They go missing. Very dangerous piece of machinery. Hurt, stung like a little bit. Buddy I was with kind of freaked out. He jumped out, he looks at me and says, "Hey, let's go to the hospital." Jumps in his truck and takes off, and there I stand. Hold my finger with blood dripping all over. So I grabbed the rag, I went and found my finger laying in the dirt and kind of cleaned it off a little bit, the end of it, and put it in a rag and jumped in my truck and started driving to the hospital. 5-10 minutes later, he calls me on the cell phone and says, "Hey, are you okay?" I'm like, yeah. So went to the hospital, got it stitched up, and I was at work the next day. So it wasn't that tragic, but it was sore for a while. We got some pretty gross pictures, but I don't think we should put that on this video, but a little trouble with my little stubby doing that kind of stuff, but I get by. There's not much of the finger missing, but I'll tell you what, every day I miss that little bit of finger, especially working on sleds, as all you guys know, grabbing little bolts and wee little things. It's very tender on the end still because it's all nerves. There's not much covering it. Gets cold, gets hard. Yeah, it's not much. The little things I miss. That little thing I miss quite a bit. To all you guys wondering out there, that's kind of what happened to my little finger. And that's why we're Digit9. So if you like any of our Digit9 stuff, guys, go subscribe, please. Thanks for tuning in. That's my story.